Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Carolyn and her clothes. So today I have a Wantable. This was a special Wantable resort edit and it cost me nothing. If you're wondering how I get free Wantables, they send me texts constantly. Sometimes it's, get $25 off if you get this edit or get styled for $5. Well, this time they gave me, get styled for free. So I said, for free? It's for me. So I said, sure, send me a box. Keep in mind, this is supposed to be a special limited time resort edit. And in my notes to my stylist, I explained I was going on a cruise and I was looking for items that I can wear during the daytime that will allow me to be moving around and flexible. All right, let me read you what her notes sent me back. Hi Carolyn, I'm so happy to send you the ultimate vacay wardrobe featuring a mix of easy breezy separates, flowy dresses, and accessories that will have you looking your best, not to mention living your best life. Remember, pictures or it didn't happen. To keep you organized for your trip, we've included these free packing cubes for you too to enjoy. So yes, in addition for me getting this for free, I got packing cubes and they're calling this color coral. I would say these are bright orange. And these will be going to my husband, so he won't be feeling left out from not having packing cubes because I already have mine. These pants have an elevated look for a workday or going out. Boot cut with the full length hem and flattering classic elastic paneled high waist. Made of clean twill fabric with tons of comfy stretch with a sweater that you're ready for those bumper cars. See, she actually read my note and told her the type of things that I want to do on the cruise. We want the best for you, so let me know your thoughts at the self-checkout. And don't forget, if you keep 5 or more items, you'll receive 20% off and get your $20 styling fee credited towards any items you buy, which I do not pay that $25 styling fee. So let's get into what she said in the pants. The first thing that she sent, and I actually requested these, are the Absolution high-rise itty-bitty boot cut in Moonrock 2 for $84. That's quite steep for democracy jeans, and I think I can actually find these on Amazon probably for cheaper. Yeah, they're like a cotton twill type of jean, your typical democracy. It has the button fly, the zip, the elastic waistband, the 5-pocket styling. Here's the back of them. They're very comfortable, absolutely no complaints about them whatsoever. I requested them. Boot cut style, a little bit long on me, but definitely doable with boots. But I won't be keeping these. For whatever reason, these are giving me, I'm a Target employee vibe. So because of the khaki color and everything, I don't know, there's something about them that I'm just not digging. There's something about them that I don't really care for. Next up, something that I also had requested is the Monique. I'm coming closer so you can see this Monique striped sweater in black. Wow, I thought it was navy, but they're saying it's black. It's extra small, and it's on sale for $74.25 by Z Supply. So this is a fuzzy little sweater here. I'll read you what it's made of. It is mostly nylon, just letting you guys know. It is 62% nylon, 25% viscose, 12% polyester. Super, super soft. Hand wash cold separately, do not wring or twist. I'll be putting it in a garment bag in the machine. I thought this was navy, but they're saying it's black. I think it fits me well. I think it's super soft. I think it's fuzzy. I think it's on trend with the little collar here. It has like my preferred neckline of like a V-neck here. Yeah, I mean, it's like a split neck, I should say, not V-neck. I think the sweater is a keeper. I do like the sweater. All right. One more thing. I'm going to show you our earrings. And these are also something I requested. And I do like them, but they're going to go back because they are $42. These earrings are the 3-tier Pave drop earrings in silver, neutral multi for $42. They're cute. I like them. I don't like them $42 worth. So, all right. So you can see they're very cute. They have like when they say neutral, it's like a taupey color kind of bead in there, tiny bead. And yeah, in a silver background. They're very, very cute. If they were $38, and I know that's only a $4 difference, I might consider them, but at $42, they're just not floating my boat. All right, give me a minute and I'll try on the next item. Okay, next up is this colored block cardigan in Mult, extra small, for $59 by Vigoss. I don't know if it's Vigoss, whatever it may be. This is 72% viscose, 28% polyester. It is machine wash cold. It's a very soft, comfortable fabric, and that's about as good as I can say about this. I do not like this sweater whatsoever. First, it has no shape and it's big and boxy. Second, I don't mind color block, but when I see something like this, and I hope I don't offend anyone, it looks to me like they ran out of fabric and they kind of just sewed it all together, whatever they had left. So the banding here is pink, over here's orange, over here's light blue. I think leave the whole back is light blue. Over here is orange and then hot pink on this sleeve. So this is a definite no. Yeah, so this what is $59, which is not a bad price. And I said the material is super soft. If you're loving and digging this sweater, I do recommend the material. The quality seems nice. I don't like all the different sewing together, all right? Okay, plus it's also very oversized, letting you know that too. Give me a minute and I'll try on the next items. Okay, you're gonna have to excuse me. I'm not wearing any makeup today. My hair was barely done. I went to the gym and back to the gym again today to do a running workshop. So I've been running around all morning, made my peppers. They're in the oven now, and I'm a hot mess express. Fully agree. So excuse my appearance. I just kind of wanted to get this. It came late in the day and I wanted to show it because during the week, I just don't have many times to do videos or even try on clothes. All right. What's next? This top is the floral print blouse in navy orange and extra small by Lush for $58. So it is a very pretty pattern. It has like a yellow orange, not like a bright orange, but a yellow orange and blue floral. It doesn't quite fit right, and I always have a problem with Lush tops. So this is not supposed to be an off the shoulder, but as you can see, it kind of is on me. It's not sitting on my shoulders. Like I'm literally here looking at the picture, and it's on this woman's shoulders. But I am very petite, and it just isn't working for my frame. Moreover, I mean, this is 100% polyester. I don't even have to look, and I think $58 is a lot for this blouse. Don't get me wrong, I will pay $58 for a polyester blouse. There's no question. I even paid more than that from White House Black Market. But this particular one, I don't think is worth $58. It is very cute. If you maybe are maybe a little bit wider than me, it might look very cute on you. It is a crop style with a band here at the bottom, which does not bother me because I am short, so it's not cropped on me. With it, I have paired the vegan leather pencil skirt in black, size 0 by Tribal. This was something I had requested for $73. It's a cute skirt, nothing wrong with it. It is, vegan leather typically. It's nothing I need to have. If it looked fantastic on me, I might consider it. It comes right above my knee. It has the seam down the front. It has 5-pocket styling as well. I'm pretty sure 5-pocket. Yep, 5-pocket styling as well. It's cute. It's just not screaming, Carolyn, you need to buy me at this point. And excuse me, I was very lazy, didn't feel like putting on dress shoes for you, but this is the outfit, and I'm going to be sending both these back. The skirt, it would have been a possibility if I thought I looked fantastic in it. I just think it's okay. If I have to look fantastic in it, I might keep it, but I think it's just okay. All right, give me a minute and try on this last dress, which is anything but an easy breezy flowy dress, as my stylist said. Give me a minute. Okay, this dress is almost as bad as the garbage bag dress that my friend Shannon had. In the comments below, check out her video, I'll link to it. They sent her something that was pretty awful, and this is almost as bad as that. This dress is 100% nylon, so if you're not familiar with putting on pantyhose, that's what it's like putting on over my body. This thing is like glued to me. Second, look at the length of it. Oh my gosh, this is so short. Yes, I wear short skirts and whatnot, but there's even a slit up in here, so yeah, no for me on this. Absolutely no ruching, there's no forgiveness. I just ate and my tummy actually hurts right now because I overate. So excuse the look, there's no shapewear or anything going on in this. It does, if you're interested in this, it does have like a seam that starts down here. So it's like it's kind of weird. It's like they made a little like detail seam that wasn't here before, and it gave you a little slit. And positives about this, well, it has a V-neck, which I like. It is bra friendly as far as I can tell. You guys can tell me in the back if it's bra friendly or not. But other than that, yeah, I'm 55 years old, and this to me is like something like a 20-something-year-old would wear to go out to a nightclub. And I think I pushed the limit already, but I try and tone it down. I don't know how to tone this thing down. This is, yeah. No. So yeah, this is going back, and that is it for my Wantable. So what do you guys think? Do you think this is a resort edit? I don't think so. I might keep that Z Supply sweater. I'm gonna think about it. Thank you again for returning subscribers. I appreciate your support. If you haven't subscribed yet, what's holding you back? I'm free. Click that notification bell to get notified of future videos free, and give me a thumbs up. Take care. Till next time.